well, these guys already have the traffic, but that doesn't mean they stop marketing. Hey guys, Jason here with AdSkills.com, bringing you yet some more of that Edge episode goodness. So without further ado, let's just crank up the old laptop and dive right in. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the marketing of Amazon.com. More specifically, we're going to take a look at the display advertising of Amazon.com. And even more specifically than that, we are going to take a look at a specific strategy that they are employing, because Amazon is huge. It wouldn't make sense for me to analyze all of their marketing because there's just too much going on there. But I spotted a strategy that I thought was interesting. I was surfing around on FoxNews.com because Fox News, like CNN, is a massive website. It gets a lot of traffic. You can see just a lot of advertising there. So it's a good place to go and surf for inspiration. So when I was looking around, I snapshotted this. You see all the various articles that are trying to jump out and get your attention, like apparently this AI generated Marilyn Monroe. But if you look over here, you see this ad from Amazon. And actually, it doesn't even say Amazon, but you know it's Amazon from the little smiley face here. But the angle of the ad is restock the essentials, your go-tos whenever you need them. So they are running a display ad to get you to buy basic things like paper towels or this cleaner here. I saw another ad. Now, this was the ad I initially saw. So they are doing a massive marquee banner here on Fox News. Now, remember, Fox News gets an insane amount of traffic. So to take over the marquee banner is to get some prime attention. Here they're showing Tide and Downy, and the headline here, your go-tos in no time at all. Save on essentials in just a few clicks. And when you click, they are taking you to this page on Amazon.com showing the everyday essentials. What I think is really smart about this is you can do all of your grocery shopping here, or all the essentials that you're going to order on a regular basis, and you can actually create a subscription. So this could be some great lifetime value for Amazon to steal market share. There's a lot of options out there for getting your groceries delivered to you, whether it's Instacart, maybe the store itself has their own program. There is Uber Eats, someone will go shop for you. So Amazon is trying to grab a piece of that market share, and they are sending a lot of display advertising traffic there. And just for giggles, let's go have a look at SimilarWeb and see how much traffic. Oh my goodness. So over 7 billion visits over this 3-month span here. And also, let's just have a little reminder of how much traffic Fox News gets. Okay, so they're pushing almost 1 billion in 3 months. I always think it's interesting when you see companies like Google running an ad on Facebook, or you see Amazon running an ad on Facebook, or Facebook running an ad on Google, because you think, well, these guys already have the traffic, but that doesn't mean they stop marketing. Now, Amazon's marketing strategies are vast because they're such a big company, which is why I just wanted to focus on this display ad strategy. And just to give you an idea of the scope of their display advertising efforts, let's jump into AdBeat. AdBeat is all about pulling data for display advertising. Within that is grouped native advertising as well, banner ads. But look at this. On YouTube, they spent 174 million, 49 million on Google Display Network, on Google DV360, over 6.5 million. But that is a lot of money spread amongst a lot of networks there. So you can see that display advertising is huge for Amazon. But I thought you would find it interesting how Amazon is fighting for their market share dominance of this subscription model to just deliver you your goods that you need day in and day out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed geeking out with you. This is Jason signing off, and I'll see you in the next episode of The Edge.